Okay, I want to rework one of these Dollar Tree gnome ornaments. I want to turn it into a girl and give her some shoes. These are baby shower favors. Paint these brown. I have some stuffing from an old pillow, and this is fabric that I found at Dollar Tree, the Crafter Square fabric, to give her a bigger hat and maybe a little apron because this gray is kind of drab. So let's start by painting the shoes. And this is just a brown oxide matte apple barrel. Make a cross out of 2 tumbling tower blocks. Set that aside to dry, and then just start taking this apart. Give it a little more stuffing, fatten it up. So when I got more stuffing to add to the hat, and I think let's go ahead and just pull these arms off. Okay, so I'll glue this back down, and then we'll start to glue this. Okay, let's close this up. And I like the slouchy look of the hats, the gnome hats, so that's why I'm just gonna do this one to roll the fabric. For the hat fabric, I just unrolled a piece of Dollar Tree fabric and eyeballed it and just cut off what looked to be about a quarter section. This, so this will help it bend. I have my pipe cleaner. The pipe cleaner really didn't help as much as I thought it would to hold the hat down, so I definitely needed the hot glue. Okay, so according to Dollar Mom, if you cut the gnome beard down the middle and then put rubber bands on it, they become braids for a lady, so I'm gonna do that. her to have a little apron because this gray is just not very festive, and she's a nice stylish gnome girl, so woman. So let's have her a bit of an apron here. And this is nice fabric. This is love, joy, and peace, little snowflakes. Our little cross will go in the middle. And I did rework the cross. I got some more blocks and I turned them sideways. I think this looks better than that for her to be holding. I forgot I wanted to wrap string around the cross to make it look, you know, primitive, like they made this in the woods in their gnome village. So I'm just gonna wrap this like this and try to hot glue this down. Okay, and finally her shoes. Put just a glass marble in each boot just for a little weight to make sure that it doesn't topple over. This gnome bundle could be yours. It's very simple. Just be a subscriber to this channel, comment blessings on this video, like the video, and you're entered. You could win this 4-pack of mini gnome ornaments, a lighted ceramic gnome for the holidays mug, and gnome for the holidays 2-pack pot holders. Good luck.